Hey everybody, this is Morgan here with National Allergy and ENT, and I have Haley with me today. She is one of our medical assistants here in the practice. And today we are going to go over the different delivery systems that you will find with each inhaler that we treat asthma. So one of the most common inhalers that you'll see and that you've probably seen before is the metered dose inhaler. So with this inhaler, you have a canister here. This is one that you will see people shake it up and then you'll push down and the medication is delivered. With these inhalers, it takes a chemical propellant to make the medication come out of the device, and that is how the medication is expelled. So I'm going to let Haley show you how to use this inhaler. So you will see her shake the inhaler up. She's going to empty out all of her breath and then take a big deep breath in and push the medication at the same time. So with this inhaler, it takes some time and some coordination to make sure that the medication is getting down into the lungs where the medication should be. So it's very common with these inhalers to have what we call a spacer, which looks like this. So with the spacer, you can attach the inhaler here with the rubber end. It just seals on there. And then you have a mouthpiece. What this will do is it allows the medication to be stored here, so it takes out that coordination that's required with these inhalers. So you can push the medication here into the spacer. Haley will blow out all of her air. Big deep breath in. Hold for about 5 to 10 seconds each time that you use the inhaler, and then she will exhale. So with this spacer, all of the medication is here until you take a big deep breath and have the medication come through. So this can be easier with kids or with people who just have difficulty trying to get that time and that coordination with these inhalers. Now, another inhaler that you may find is a dry powder inhaler. So with this inhaler, you have the medication here, it's primed, it's a dry powder, you don't have the chemical propellant that comes out. All you have to do is prime it by turning this down and opening the inhaler. You will see the mouthpiece right here. And then this requires you to take a big deep breath. So if you don't have the air and the force to take a big deep breath, the medication won't be expelled. So that is how the medication comes out, is by activating it with a big deep breath. Ooh. Big deep breath, and then it's out. So you can find it in a device that may look like this, or it may look like this as well, which looks similar to this one. So to note the difference in the two here is you have the canister that you push down on this device, whereas with the dry powder inhaler, you're going to pull this down and then the medication will be activated that way. And then same way here, Haley would take all of the air out, big deep breath, hold in place, and then she'll simply just shut it back. Now, it's important to note that if you do have a dry powder inhaler and you're instructed to do 2 puffs, maybe twice a day, that with each inhalation, you open it up, take a big deep breath, and then you'll need to close that inhaler. And then you'll reopen it and then take another deep breath and then close it again. So if you simply just opened it and took 2 breaths, that's only 1 dose. So with each time that you open these inhalers, that is what primes the medication for each dose. All right, so I hope that this helps you guys. If you have any kind of questions about your inhalers or how you need to simply use the inhaler, just feel free to give us a call here at National Allergy and ENT. Thank you.